Warchief, we scouted the peak as you ordered. The humans have entrenched their fortifications all the way up to the summit.
What are they up to? If they're looking to pick a fight, they've had ample opportunities before this.
Ishnealo Pora, young Warchief.
Cairn, what are you doing here?
Our debt to you orcs can only be repaid with blood. We've come to help you reach the Oracle. However, those metal-clad pinkskins look like trouble.
Those pinkskins are called humans. They are our enemies from across the sea. They seem intent on keeping us from the peak.
The Oracle's wisdom belongs to all. Perhaps the wyverns that live nearby can be of use to us. They have no love for hostile intruders.
I am the
My
Warchief.
old bones ache.
Say the word. Yes? Swobu, bring it on! Let's get on with it. Yes.
I am able to help.
What you want me go?
Bring it on!
What you want me do?
Ready to work. The Harpies have enslaved the wyverns.
Be warned, old fool. Stone Talon Peak is ours. Neither these brutes nor the humans will leave this place alive. Attack my sisters!
Let's get on with it. This place has been defiled. I sense that the spirits have fled.
For honor. Research
Who you want me to
complete.
kill? Let's get on with it. Why?
Yes, chieftain.
I hear the summons.
Let's get on with it.
Now,
What will be craven?
Master. Notar. Sub. Ready to work. Dabu. Research
No
complete.
God, no God.
Precisely. I am able to help. Research complete.
Mutabu. No regard, no God.
Ishnu Pora.
Very good choice, man. Right away.
I am the Warchief. The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it.
Right away. Kalimdor.
The spirits
Very
are
good choice,
restless.
man.
For Doom Hammer.
I am the
Your
Warchief.
mother is near.
Yes.
I am able to help. The storm is coming. Oh, now! Bring it on! My old bones ache. Bring it on! The Earth Mother is near. I am able to help. The storm is coming.
The spirits are restless.
Right
I
away.
am the Warchief.
Very good choice, man. Very good choice, man.
Research complete.
The Warchief.
My old bones ache. Stand and fight!
I am the Warchief. Let's get on with it. No regard, no God. The Warchief.
Very good choice,
Oh,
man.
now!
The spirits are restless.
Right away.
Let's get on with it.
choice, man. Right away.
Now!
Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless.
Need some choice, man.
The spirits are
Our town
restless.
is under attack!
Let's get on with it. Say the word. I am the war chief. Look regard, Logar. The spirits are restless.
Our town is under
I
attack!
am the war chief. None. Storms. Look regard, Logar.
Our tower under attack!
For honor. Let's get on.
Oh now!
Right away.
What you want me doing?
Research complete!
Yes, chieftain.
Bring it on! We're under attack! Bring it on!
I am the war chief. Look regard, Nogal.
I am able to help.
Yes, chieftain. Let's get on with it. I am, say the word. Ready, cry. Let's get on with it. Yes. Need something?
Kalimdor. Right away.
Oh now!
That be good choice, man.
We're under attack!
The spirits are restless. Need something?
Kalimdor.
Be happy to.
That be good choice, man.
I am the war chief.
The storm
Direct
is
me.
coming.
The spirits are
Quickly,
restless.
my warriors! The wyverns must be freed!
Right away. The wise I am the war chief. Look regard, for honor. Let's get on with it, Raven.
There. These proud beasts will now aid us in reaching the summit.
How can I help?
Right away.
Yes. Double. Need something? Bring it on! War spirits are restless. I need order. Look regard, We're under attack! Yes, Lord Chief. For the whore. Understood. I am. Say the word. Let's get on. How can I help? Speak, chieftain. Oh no! Are there enemies above? Look regard. I am able to direct me. For the whore. Yes, chieftain. Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless. Take heart, young lord. How can I help? A wise man.
We're under attack!
Right away. within.
Hold, Warchief.
That's the young sorceress Hellscream told me about. It appears that she seeks the Oracle as well.
Be wary, young one. That cave is the perfect spot for an ambush.
Don't worry, Cairn. I was raised by the humans. I know their tricks and stratagems. There's no way that I'll let them stop me from reaching the Oracle.